How to report a problem on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can report a problem on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now, once you are logged in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now, tap on Settings. Here, scroll down and you can see Report a Problem. Just tap on it and it says go back and seek device. You can do it or you can just tap on Report anyway. Now, once you do that, tap on Include. Now briefly explain what happened. Like you can explain your problem, like you just can't contact to one person like this. Add your problem, and you can also add media, like take a screenshot of that problem and just tap on add media and add it. Now once you do that, tap on send right here. Then once you send that, your problem will be reported and they will get back to you as soon as possible. And that's it. This is how you can report a problem on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.